Welcome back, guys, to a mini quick tip video. So what I'm going to be showing you is kind of a useful feature. I know it's from 2012 and up Mini Coopers. I'm not sure about older ones. But let's say you have your car started and oh shit, I have my house keys on here and I have to go back into the house, but I want the car to continue stay running to either get warm or cold depending on if it's summer or winter. So for an example, right now it's summer, it's 90 degrees outside, and I just came out here, I put my key in, and oh shit, I forgot something in the house, or I gotta go grab something or something like that, or I want my car to keep heating up or cooling down, whatever it is. Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to stop. I'm going to start the Mini Cooper like normal, then I'm going to stop it like this. I'm going to set the key right next to me, then I'm going to hit the button again to bring up the display like this, hit it one more time like this, and then hit the brake and the start-stop button. And it will start your car without your key fob. Now, what can you do with this? Well, let's say I wanted to go inside, right? Real quick, I forgot something or something like that. I'm going to run out here real quick. I'm going to shut the door of the car. To make sure nobody gets in the car, I'm going to lock it. It locked, okay, you can't get in. And then, let's say you got whatever you need to do. You come back, you unlock the car. Get back in the Mini. Okay, you're good to go. You got everything you want. Your car is nice and cool now, or hot if it's in the winter. You just want to take your key fob and insert it back into the key insert in your dash. That's it, you're good to go. It will come up with an exclamation point, as you saw before. That's just telling you that the key fob is not in the actual car, and then it'll go away. It doesn't store it. The little exclamation point is not there because you're not damaging the car or anything like that. And then when you come back, you just insert your key, and then you just be on your way. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully this was pretty useful. If you guys liked it, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time.